Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Arcade Data Labs. Today we are going to see one important topic and it will be very interesting. Like we have a DynamoDB table created already and how we can able to insert the data using step function. That is what we are going to discuss today with a live demo. Here we go. So there are two pages I've already opened. So let me go back to the state machine. Let me try to create a state machine first and then let's try to insert the data to a DynamoDB table using step function. So what I'm going to do, you can just search for the item called put item. So if you can able to search for the item put, it will be showing a couple of items from where I want to just simply drag and drop this DynamoDB here. So I'm just simply double clicking it. It will be able to see like couple of things here. So it may be requesting what is the table name. So I will be going to DynamoDB tables here. So I will use this test data labs 2 as a table name. So let me copy. So item and then comes inside, it will be asking for the column name. So let me go here and let me see like what is the column name. Let me explore the table items. I understood that it is ID was one of the column. So let me try to put here. And there are three options can be possible here. One is yes, which is nothing but string, and the second is n stands for number, and the third is b stands for boolean. So now I'm going to simply add one entry over here. So let me try to give 007. Already 006 should have been there. Let me try to explore it now. So you can able to see like 001 2 3 4 5 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply going to add one more ID called 007 using step function. So let me go here. So you can able to see only three options that you have been requested to do. One, table name, and then what is your ID? I mean that is the column name of your table. So ID is nothing but my primary key where I'm going to add a value to it. So S or N or B, S denotes string. So obviously if you see here, it is a string data type. That's why I've just included it as S. And then 007 was a new number, which is nothing but the record that I'm going to insert it. Alright. So this is going to be my definition where I'm going to insert the record to a DynamoDB table using step function. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply create it. It should have been asking a couple of things like what is the roles, ARNs and everything. So let me go back here. Alright, so let me go here. So obviously we should be able to get one issue that step function can able to access the DynamoDB accordingly. So what I should be doing is go here. So try to give the DynamoDB full access to the respective ARN from the step functions. So I'm just simply adding all these permissions here and then going back here. Alright, so now this state machine has appropriate permission from DynamoDB to access the table, and then so that like step function can easily able to insert the record accordingly. So now what I'm going to do, simply start execution and then simply try to execute it. So we can able to see this flow here. If you can able to see all these things, input output definition, we are only able to see only the table name, column name and the value on data respect to data type accordingly. So now let me refresh here. So now you can able to see easily the data 007 to the ID gets updated in the table called test data labs 2 via step function. So likewise, if you want to update or insert any data that you want to update into a table, DynamoDB table, this is the only option, very easy option to do it, guys. So using this option, any kind of automated task, like let's say if you want to upload bulk data, let's say like you have some files, you have some data in your S3 bucket. So let's say you have some CSV data where you want to import it, and then you want to on a bulk import, you can able to insert the data very fastly using step functions. So step functions was very useful in terms of automating all your data insertion to a DynamoDB table in sometimes in some projects accordingly. So here we go. So we have come to end of this video. We have seen good things about like how to utilize step function to a DynamoDB table here in this video. Keep watching my videos guys regularly. I'll be taking new topic in my next video soon guys. Thank you.